Do you like how my tie looks? I kind of feel like Frank Sinatra or something, like, you know, in Las Vegas, you know. Hello, my pretties. Today, we're going to be making a Necromancer, and what it includes is Absinthe, Lillet Blanc, Elderflower Liqueur, and just a dash of gin. So if you've never had Lillet Blanc before, it's literally just pretty much a white wine. It's very, it's a little bit sweeter of a white wine, but it's made in France, and it's pretty good. And then Elderflower Liqueur, got a nice sweet taste to it. You can usually buy Saint Germain, which is a more popular brand. And then we have this wonderful gin here in this wonderful crystal bottle that's probably meant for whiskey or bourbon, with my little gin tag on it. Do you see my little gin tag? Isn't that so cute? I love it. Anyway, let's get started. All right, so what we're gonna do first is we're gonna put some ice in our mixing. Do you see my gloves? I feel like a real cocktail person, a real bartender at like a party, a fancy party, but with a crazy wig on. So what I was inspired, I look kind of like the dead bartender, but what I was inspired by is I saw Dr. Sleep recently, which is the sequel to The Shining. And I personally love The Shining. I think it's a great, great movie, great horror film. And I was inspired by the creepy bartender at the lodge that Jack Nicholson is staying at that, you know, serves him his drinks. And I was like, well, why not be a, you know, female version of that? So I'm going to deliver you drinks today that won't make you go crazy, I promise. So 3/4 ounce absinthe. All right. So of course you're gonna notice that this just magically appeared. It's because I forgot the lemon juice. So we got another ingredient to add. So we added the absinthe, which was 3/4 ounce. Now we're gonna add the Lillet Blanc, which is gonna be, how do people do this stuff with gloves on? 3/4 ounce of that as well. So then we're gonna do 3/4 of the elderflower. I'm gonna do 3/4 lemon juice. And then you want just a dash of gin. All right. And then you're gonna mix it up. And get your strainer. And that, my friends, is a Necromancer. Cheers. That is tasty. So you're getting a wonderful freshness from the lemon. You get a little bit of that licorice flavor from the absinthe. That sweetness of the elderflower, the sweetness of the Lillet Blanc, it's very good. I didn't realize how scary I looked until after I did my makeup and I looked in a mirror that actually had light. And I was like, holy. It was pretty scary. What are you guys dressing up for this Halloween? I'd love to know. Definitely put it in the comments. Thank you for everybody who's been watching and subscribing. Much appreciated. I just actually finished this entire thing. It's really good. It goes down really good, you know? You guys won't judge me, right, if I finish this whole thing? I hope not. Oh yeah, that was good. That was really good. Oh, I'm gonna start calling this Booze with Benny. Of course, I said at the last minute, but Booze with Benny. No, Benny Who and Booze. Maybe it should be Booze with Benny. Crap, I have to change my picture now. Thanks for joining me again. It has been so much fun. Bye now. So I'm making another one real quick, because I can. Just throw that in the sink. Yes. Oh shoot, I put the wrong one. Alright, so, do you like how my tie looks? I kind of feel like Frank Sinatra or something, like in Las Vegas, you know. I'm trying to think of a song that he sings. Fly me to the moon and let me play among the stars. Let me see what spring is like on Jupiter and Mars. There we go. A Necromancer in a minute or something. Yeah, that's better than the first one.